Good morning, guys. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a template for your backsplash. If you want to create some kind of pattern or maybe a design, I'm going to show you how you can get there without making the mistake of starting it all up and possibly getting to a point where you're not happy with it. Because you're going to have to live with this. You spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my kitchen, and here's where I'm gonna create the design. It's right here underneath the range hood. Okay, so, and basically we're gonna go all the way around to about here. You'll see the magic marker line, that's where it's gonna end. And down here, where it's marked, is where it's gonna start. And it's level all the way down, right to here, right to the end of the counter. All right, so what I do is I create a template on a cardboard. You can create that on a counter, on a piece of wood, on a table, whatever works for you. You can even draw it out on a piece of paper. A large piece of paper that you can roll out. Okay, so these are the tiles that I will be using. They're marble, tumble marble, gray, white, and then this is going to be on the edge, on the trim, on the top. That's going to go along all of it like this, but I think when we get past the design, I will probably cut it in half and make it about 1.25 inches all the way down to the end here. So I took cardboard all the way down and I marked it exactly the way it is on my backsplash. Where you see the marking here, this is the way it goes right here, to the left side. And then when I get up to here, the marking's up there also. That will be inside the range hood. Okay? As we go along, here, it ends here, then it comes back down. And then it continues all the way to the end, right here. Okay. Oh, that's Piggy. That's my buddy, Piggy Sheddo. He's always around. He hangs out a lot with me. He makes sure I'm doing a good job. All right, as you can see, here's the line. All right. So let me show you. This is my pattern that I'm going to be using on the backsplash. And it's taken me a while to get to the design and the patterns and the kind of tiles that I want to work for me, because I have veins in them. So on the left side, I created a little design. It almost looks like a tree, 2 trees, maybe some rocks down here. I try to put together some of the tiles that kind of blend into each other and work well that way. And it needs to be aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Alright, so this is the center. And these particular ones have a little green in them. I kind of like them, really. I kind of like them a lot. Alright, so I've laid it all out, and as you can see, let me show you here where it ends and begins. You see? That's where it ends. Right where I have the 3 grays. Back to the left side, same thing here. So the 3 grays. Right there, just like that. Okay? And that's where it would end. It took me quite a while to come up with the pattern that I liked. And I have an arts and crafts decor in the house that I put together. As you can see with these cabinets along here that I made actually. So what you want to do is you want to lay it all out first, and then think about how it's going to look for yourself. Remember, you're going to have to live with this. So this is my design that's going to work well for my house. Okay? And of course, I'm going to fill it all up to the end, but I didn't have to do that because it's all going to be white on the left side as well as the right side. Right, Piggy? Yeah, it is. It's going to look good, Daddy. All right, good. That's great. All right, so back here in the center, what I did is I marked them all off. And you got the second tile, left side, first tile, left side, second tile, right, first, right, and I did the same as I went upward. And that's basically as far as I've gotten. Now your design may be different, whatever that may be. It may be more simpler, or it may be more detailed, but understand that you're going to have to live with this. And, you know, make sure you have it down the way you like it. Okay? So, now that I have it all down, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a straight edge and screw it into the wall. Hey, Biggie. Hey, Dad. Before you get started with the tiles, is you want to put up a straight edge and you want to screw that into the wall. Because that's kind of like your foundation. Where I have it marked, it's going to be screwed in. And that's where the tiles are going to get started with. All the way down. You know, you're going to just piece it. Doesn't matter what kind of board you put on it. As long as it's secure, you'll be in good shape. You know, and a lot of people, what they do is they wait to put the countertops in first. And then they go ahead and do it right over the countertops, which is fine. That works, because that's usually how it's done. I'm not doing it that way because I still have to finish my countertops. I'm going to be taking the countertops and I'm going to be putting an epoxy finish on it. And it's probably going to be black with some type of white and gray veins. And that's, so my situation is a little different because of how I came about to where I am now. Because I made everything and it's taken time. It's my way of doing things. It's all good. One more thing about the tiles I have. Understand that these tumble marble tiles I got for free. I have quite a few of them, probably at least 1,000. And what I do is I look on Craigslist every day, a couple of times a day, and people are giving away things for free. And I work with all kind of reclaimed materials. All right, so all these tiles, except for these on top, more like a subway tile. It's actually marble too, so I'm loving this. I think I got about 40 pieces of these, and I paid $20. Well worth the money and the effort to go pick it up. I do a lot of that with a lot of the things that I have and that I have built into my home, and I custom make everything. And I make it my own. Make your home your own. That's the way to go. You know? That's what I say. So good luck with it, folks. Enjoy the ride. Right, Piggy? Yeah, Daddy. Take care, guys. Love you.